Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool under here, and basically what this is a gift package, and for all three of these it's from a brand called Dior, and basically for each one of these gifts is for different tier when you guys do sign up for the reward program for Dior brand or Dior Beauty. So this one right here is basically the first one, which is when you guys reach like silver tier or something. Next one that we got right here, this is what I got when I received the gold tier. And this one right here is the last one that I received, which is basically the platinum level. So let's open up each one to show you guys what's included inside. So the first one that we got right here is actually pretty cute because they do give you guys a little handle for you to pull it out. So let's do pull it out. Here is basically what the inside looks like. So first the inside, they do give you guys a little card. So inside they do tell you guys welcome to the house of Dior. And then here is basically what's included for this one. So they basically give you guys like a mini size for serum option. Right here we do have the mini size of the Miss Dior perfume. And right here we do have a lipstick option, I believe. Let's take it out to show you guys what it looks like. So let's do open up. If you guys do twist it out, that is basically what the lipstick looks like. So you see how it is like a bright red color. And I love how it does have a CD option right here on the side. So that way it's known from Christian Dior. And when you guys do open it and close it, it's actually very easy and very simple. But it does feel very luxury and very high quality when you guys do feel it. But once you have it done, you have to close it up. And also for the top right here, you see it does have CD as well. So that is basically what the lipstick looks like for this one that's included. Next right here, we do have the Miss Dior with the little ribbon right here that's very cute. And like I mentioned, it is a mini size, so when you guys do open it, it's not like a spray bottle. You just want to tap a little bit onto your skin or something. So that's what it looks like for this one. And last but not least, we do have the little serum. If you guys do open up, that is basically what the product looks like for this one. So that is basically what was included for the silver tier option when you guys do reach that level. Now I'll show you the next one, which is the gold tier. So right here I do have the gold tier. If you guys do open up, the packaging for this one is slightly different. If you guys do pull it out, when you guys do take it out, inside they also give you guys a little card as well. And this one also say welcome to House of Dior. But right here for this one, you see they do give you guys a little handle to actually carry around really easily. Front part right here, they do have the same kind of material as the packaging for the box. Front part right here, you see we do have the Dior name. And this part right here is magnetic. So let's do open up. And you see how when you guys do open up, it's actually very cute. So this one right here is much cuter gift than the first one because of the way how they design it. It basically looks like an advent calendar. And you see how it does give you guys the option to open on both sides right here and this side as well. And then for the middle part right here, they do have the Dior name. But if you guys do open it, that is the first thing inside. Next one right here. That is the next one. Next one right here. That is another option. And the last one. So very cool gift. If you see how they do prioritize all that option. It's basically a mini bottle for sample size for each one of these if you guys do want it. So it looks like for each one of these is under Dior, which they do provide guys the information right here. And I'm not sure if you can see it on the bottom or not, but it does tell you guys what each one is. And when you guys do open it, these are also not a spray bottle. You just want to tap it against your skin. But when you guys do smell it, it does smell pretty good. It does have a very strong fragrance smell like for a woman. Let me smell these as well. I do like this one better than the other one. This one's okay. Let's try the last one. I think this one's okay as well. So between all four of these, I do have to say that the white one right here is probably my favorite one out of all four. But obviously everyone has their own preference. But that is basically everything that's included for the gold one. Now let me show you the platinum one. But before I show you guys the platinum one, I do want to close it back up to show you guys how it does have a very strong magnet to hold it in place. That makes it look very luxury when you guys do get it. Alright, so right here we do have the last and final one, which is what you guys do get for the platinum option for the previous year. Once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So same thing for this one, they also give you guys a little card to say thank you and welcome to House of Dior. And then right here they do provide a little piece of paper to show you guys how to use the product. And then right underneath that, and see we do have the gift. So pretty much the first gift that's provided for you guys is this glass bottle. And it is a water bottle, so that way you can drink water on here and keep it very healthy since it is glass. But you see on the side right here, they do give you guys a heat resistant pad. So that way when you guys do grip it, it won't slide off as easy. And when you guys do put hot liquid inside like tea or something, it won't burn your hand since it is heat resistant. But right here, you see we do have the Dior name. Same thing for our side right here. And the bottom right here, it does say CD. And top right here, they do have a little star. And if you guys do like the color pink, this is a very awesome gift that they do give you guys when you guys reach platinum. But what's even better than that is the gift next to it. So what this is basically a lotion. And for this lotion, it's not cheap. I believe this is actually pretty expensive and very high quality as well. But right here, you see it does say Dior. Top right here does say CD. And we guys to open it. this is basically what the inside looks like. And when you guys do smell it, it definitely has a really strong smell to it that smells really good. I believe for this lotion in general, you do have the option to use it for your hand, but the way how to design it is for you guys to put it onto your face to keep it hydrated and also soft and very smooth. So those are all the different gifts that provide for you guys when you guys reach each different tier for the Dior Beauty program or rewards program. So the small one is the silver, this one right here is the gold, and then for the water bottle and the lotion right here is for platinum level. And obviously when you guys get each different tier, there's a lot of different benefits as well, such as like VIP event and etc. I myself have not experienced it just yet, but if I do experience it, I will let you guys know, or I will cover it if they do allow me to bring it along when they do invite me. But that is basically everything that I want to show you guys in this video. Now that we did unboxing to show you guys each different tier, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not to actually get into each different tier. So honestly, if you guys like Dior product, whether like the fragrance, the shower gel, or any other product from the Dior brand, or if you guys just love the packaging of the Dior brand, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.